Alright, today I am going to be making linguine with lime, Parmesan, and garlic. Alright, and some Italian seasoning. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is linguine. Second thing you're going to need is lime. Alright, you're also going to need garlic, Parmesan, and Italian dressing. Okay, so let's get started with cooking the linguine. Once the noodles have reached al dente mark, you're going to take the noodles and strain all but a little bit of water. All right, and strain the water. All right, I have strained all but a little bit of water, and now I am going to get started with the water. Now I'm going to get started with the seasoning. All right, I'm just going to keep on letting the little bit of water in here cook the noodles, and because I have the flame up so high, it's actually going to help evaporate some of that water. All right, so I'm right here going to put some Italian seasoning in here. I'm going to just put it in the water side of the noodles like that. Just sprinkle some in like that. All right, cool. All right, and then I'm going to take a little bit of pepper and get some pepper in there a little bit. Get that all around. And then I'm going to take some garlic, or as I like to say, garlic. All right, and I'm going to take it and put it inside of the garlic press. And then I'm going to squeeze the garlic press. All right, got a little bit of garlic action going on. And I'm going to put that in the water side too. All right. Then I'm going to take some lime or lemon if you don't have a lime and squeeze the lime into the water section too. All right. Now that I have all that, I'm just going to mix it around a little bit, get the flavoration going around. All right. Now, oh man, it's smelling great. Got the seasoning in there. The water's almost evaporated. I'm going to turn the flame down really low. All right. Then I'm going to take some olive oil, and then I'm going to turn the flame down all the way off and pour a little bit of olive oil in. All right. And after that, I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese. All right. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on there. And then just zoom in a little bit, and then just mix this all around, and the heat will melt the Parmesan cheese a little bit, and that's how you make Parmesan linguine with lime. All right, let me know if you have any questions.